Minsan natatakot ako na baka today is day 15 of my 100 days of consistency. Here's the exact what you need to hear today. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Parang tong content creation ko, once again, hindi ko alam kung saan ako dadalhin nito. Minsan natatakot ako na baka tumigil ako, na baka hindi ko matuloy, na baka hanggang bungad lang talaga ako. Pero today is day 15. So far, 2 linggo na tayong consistent, nagpo-post, nagre-record. I think this is giving me a lot of things for the future. Kasi slowly nagagawa ko maging consistent. Kakameron ako ng simple workflow. And somehow, nakakapag-balance ako ng mga gawain ko sa buhay. And this is leading me to something. Nakakatakot, pero kailangan kong gawin. Kasi para naman to sa akin. And I'm just here for myself and hoping that I will inspire you too. Yun lang. See you again tomorrow. Bye!